chini mani kokborok obono chini yareng tai chini langma okok baise chini sinimong tini chini chirairok chini okok ni chati no tui beskango kasai tongo chini o bede ketalrok chini kok no warna ni tai chini kokborok ni mung no gerak tei kaham khaina ni engbai thung tini chini kokborok salo chung TTADC ni enggai chini kokborok no teibo kuchu kasari witlangna ni semai tango chung jo to hamjago
Kokborok.
Is very important. This started only. This day is very important, but we should not forget the script demand. The script demand is the most important. Most of our kids cannot read the Bengali script. Bengali script is a good script. We do not disrespect Bengali script. We respect it. But for the convenience, for the ease of access of education to every child in every village, we demand the Roman script, and hence we have written with our pens. Roman script banners were not provided. We provided only in Bengali script, but we have written on our own in Roman script. And that is because we refuse to comply. We refuse to comply and happily accept. The demand is united and for the youth of the next generation. And Roman script is not a foreign script. Roman script is used every day in English, and it is used by people in Mizoram. It is used for writing the Mizo language. It is used by the Khasi people, the Garo people. Why only TIPRASA people are denied the use of this script? Why only TIPRASA should be denied? Why is foreign script only for TIPRASA? Why other people can use this script and still be Indian, not foreign? But why we will be we will be considered foreign if we use this script? That's what I want to ask. Just the script, does it make us not Indian, less Indian if we use the Roman script? Does it make other state people who are using the same script less Indian? Does it make the Mizos less Indian? Does it make the Khasis and the Garos less Indian since they use the Roman script? We will use the Roman script and we will be equally Indian, not any less Indian than anybody else. Right now, many students are failing in Kokborok because not because they don't know their own language, just because they cannot read the Bangla script. And that is what the issue is going to be, and that is what we want to solve. This is our purpose in this book.
In St. Paul School, how many students are using Roman script?
We have only the morning section. In morning section, everybody is using the Roman script. In morning section.
Every student use
Roman script. There is no Bangla script in St. Paul's. And he is our Kokborok teacher. He will be able to tell better how many students are there. Only in the morning section right now. We will introduce from class 1 to itself. Class 1 and 2 only now. Slowly we are going to increase it. Class 3. So slowly, step by step, we are going to use it.
Thank you, sir.